Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I will show how to design Free Fire custom thumbnail. So guys, let's start today's video. So guys, I'm just collect Free Fire photo in Google search and just big YouTubers or pro players photo or gaming character, just collect, then import Canva and customize this template. So guys, let's start today's video. So guys, I am just input B2K and B2K text here and B2K game player gaming character and just for pro girls, just I'm adding another one. So guys, I'm just change my person, so I'm 3 pro girls squad. Okay, now I am just add Free Fire logo. So guys, just I'm adding current Free Fire logo, just 2 corner, and add more subscriber button or like button. So keep watching this video. So guys, now my picture is thumbnail is ready. So I hope enjoy this video. So please subscribe our channel and goodbye. Keep watching this video and subscribe for more video. Goodbye.